Hey guys, it's Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to add individual students to a local course page in eCLASS. Now, this will not work for your regular course pages. Students can only be added and removed from those based on Synergy enrollments. You cannot manually add or remove students, but this would be if I've given you a blank local course page for a special reason, how you would add students to it. So I'm going to start by going to class list. Depending on how your page is set up, you might see class list up here under tools. It might be its own button up here, or you can always go to course admin and choose class list. So I'm going to do that. And I'm the only one on this page, so let's add someone else. I'm going to click the blue Add Participants button and choose Add Existing Users. And then I'm going to need to search for the users I want to add. You can search by name. That can be a little bit tricky if the person's legal name is a little bit different. If you put it in the wrong order as far as last name first or something like that, it will not find it. So I find the easiest way is to use a student ID number. So I'm going to type in a student ID number. And you can either hit enter on your keyboard or click the magnifying glass to do your search. It will refresh the page briefly and it will look like you're on the exact same page and nothing happened. But if I scroll down at that point, I'll see my search results down below. So I've got one search result. This is the correct student. I'm going to check the box next to the student's name. I'm going to select the role student. And then I'm going to choose Enroll Selected Users. It'll take a second to process. I get a confirmation that shows me who's been enrolled, and then you can either choose Done or you can add more participants if you need to. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Thanks.